But I'm looking forward to today. I'm looking forward to meeting with you people to discuss what we're doing here in the Scotland Nation. It's really an honor for me to be one of your hosts. I have a good team I'm working with, and we're all here to make things happen in a good way. So let's have a good time.
I think it's a pretty ambitious plan to go all the way up Hannah and the Big Lake, but that's what Kevin would like to do if the winds aren't working against us.
Seems like it's pretty calm here, but getting back up there would be a little different day.
Two times we've been up, we had a strong wind that we were paddling into, so
keep your nose in the into the wind and you should be good. But little heavier boats aren't so bad as a smaller canoe though in the wind, right? So as long as we got people that paddle.
I'm just sitting on your front porch, wondering how could I be so far from my home? And my mind is somewhere else, but when I find it, I'll patch up where it's been grown. Now I'm just floating on the breeze, and I feel I'm falling like these leaves. I must be cornerstone.
Morning everybody from the Nahatlatch Valley. We're here with the Stein Valley the Nahatlatch Initiative. We're out going to be on the boat today. Looking forward to it. Looks like good weather. We're not going to get burnt. So looking forward to it, and I'm pretty excited. Thank you.
To set that parking brake and let myself unwind. Shine that light on me. I'll sit and tell you my stories. Shine on me, and I will find a song. I will sing it just for you. And now I've been moving way too fast on the runaway train with a heavy load of my past. And these rails that I've been riding on, they're worn so thin that they're damn near gone. I guess that they just weren't built to last. Yeah, I'm gonna try to make sense of what I can, of where I'm going, and where I've been. Shine that light on me. I'll sit and tell you my stories. Shine on me, and I will find a song. I will sing it just for you, and I will find the words to help you make it through. If you call my name, I'll sing them to you.
Just out here skipping around. Skipping, not chirping.
Shine that light on me. I'll sit and tell you my stories. Shine on me, and I will find a song. I will sing it just for you.
Hi, I'm Kevin Scott. I'm president of Resolve Canada, and we just got out of the Voyager canoe, and Had a great day up on the Nahatlatch Lakes and spent, I think we were out there for about 3 hours, 3.5 hours. Went up, had a great lunch, saw some of the incredible scenery.